For this video, you are going to learn how to locating rational number on the number line, comparing rational number, and ordering from least to greatest. So let's start with ordering fraction, decimal, and percent. They give you the example of 6 number, and you're gonna put these from least to greatest. So just follow these steps. Step 1 is to draw a number line. Step 2 is convert fraction into decimal. And you know that you're gonna divide them. Step 3 is to plot the decimal on the number line. And step 4 is write the number from least to greatest. Okay, so 0.2 is the decimal. So I need to convert 3/4. 0.75, 0.8, 1/2, 0.5, 1/4, quarter, 0.25, and 0.4. So we're done converting. Now we're gonna plot 0.2, 3/4, 0.75, which is in the middle. You can write out either 0.75 or 3/4. 0.8, 1/2, or 0.5. Oh, it's right here. I'm sorry. This is 0.25 or 1/4 and 0.4. So we're done with plotting. Now we're gonna list them from least to greatest, smallest to greatest number. So start with 0.2, then 1/4. Make sure you write down in the original form. 0.4 next, and then 1/2, and then 0.75. The original is 3/4. Write out 3/4, and 0.8. Now I'm gonna walk you through guided practice. Place the following numbers on the number line and then list them from least to greatest. Make sure you read the questions. Sometimes it's gonna be rated to least. Number 1, 0.75 is a decimal, so it's good. 76%. So you want to convert 76% to decimal. Move the decimal 2 places to the left. 0.76. 4/5, think about your finger. You have 5, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80%. 80% mean 0.8. So put them from least to greatest. 0.75, 76% or 0.26, and then the biggest number is 4/5 or 0.8. Okay, and then you rewrite the original form. Okay, number 2, 2.3 decimal. 2 and 4/5 is a mixed number fraction. You're gonna put this one into a decimal. So 2 and, so I mean 2.45. 4/5 is 0.8. So 2.8 is 2 and 4/5. 2.6 is decimal. So the smallest number is 2.3. Next will be 2.6. And next will be 2 and 4/5. Rewrite it in the original form. Number 3. 75% mean 0.75. 7/10, 0.7. 17 out of 20, fraction to decimal. You can divide to get to the decimal, but today I'm going to show you another way to get 17 over 20 into a decimal. 17 out of 20. Okay, you know that percent mean out of 100. So if I have 100, it will be easier for me to convert to decimal. So 20, how many times that 20 go into 100? 5. So 17 times 5 is 85. So 85 out of 100. You can convert this one to decimal. This will be 0.85. Now you can put them from least to greatest. The smallest number, oh, this is for this number. 80% means 0.8, so don't forget that. So we have 0.7, which is 7 over 10. Next will be 75%, 0.75. Next will be 80%. And the biggest number is 17 out of 20. Put them in order. 7 over 10 less than 75%, 80%. The biggest number is 17 over 20. Number 4, I want you to pause the video and try it on your own. Okay? And then I'm gonna show you the answer of this one. Okay, if you have the same answer with me, you're good to go. All right, and the next one is comparing rational number. You're gonna have fraction, decimal, and percent. So all you need to remember is convert everything into decimal and then compare. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 and 2, and you're gonna do 3 and 4 on your own. Okay, number 1, 8 over 9 and 9 over 10. Okay, 9 over 10, you know, is gonna be 0.9, but 8 over 9 we need to divide. Okay, 8 cannot divide by 9. I borrow 0, return a decimal. 80 divided by 9, how many times? That 9 going to 80. 8 times 9, 72. 10 minus 72 is another 8. 80 divided by 9, I got another 8. So it's a repeating decimal, 0.8888. So 0.88 less than 0.9. Done with 1. Number 2, 0.73 is easy. 18 over 25. Okay, you can divide to get to the decimal, but I'm gonna show you a quick way. Out of 100. Okay, so how many times that 25 that's going to 100? 4. So if we do to the denominator, we have to do exactly to the top. So 18 times 4 as well, which is 72. So 72 out of 100 means 0.72. So of course 0.73 is greater than 0.72. Okay, I want you to try number 3. Pause the video, try number 3 and 4 on your own, and then compare the answer with me at the end. Okay? All right, check the answer